Okay, so today, guys, I'm going to be playing Slither.io. Yeah, it's a type of game where you'll get really mad. Yeah, that's why I decided to do it today. I decided to make myself mad. I don't want a nickname. Okay, so we're just gonna be growing a lot of health or something by just eating. That's pretty much what you just do in this game. I'm going to be doing that, probably getting mad. I already died already? These people harassing. Mean people. I didn't want to bump into that person. Like, I really wish this thing would just save your body. I want this thing. But I really don't trust that thing. So I'm not gonna go buy it. Because it obviously every time when I try to get it, it makes me die. I'm longer. What the heck? Dude, I almost died. Dang, I thought he was gonna die though. Rainbow is like bigger, but I don't know where she is. Oh, dude, this person died. Dude! Yo, I'm getting longer. Oh my god, that's cool. That person tried to make me go around. Guys, this is my top score. I think. I really wish I was like bigger, but I actually got 2 people. Like, that's amazing. Dude! Dude, at least he left me some. They must be like really mad. Actually, this is better because I'm not overreacting. If you guys saw my other Slither.io video, then you'll probably know this is now my other higher score. Okay, most of them are, I feel like they're God. But they could escape though. Like, where is everyone? I don't want to, like, die. But, like, where is everyone? Dude! No! That was my highest score! I don't want a nickname. That was like my highest score. You!
So, if I die, then I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, because you're pretty long. What the heck? Oh! Dude, that big person just died! They're like, they probably no! They raged! I was trying to say they raged. That was like, I only needed 2 more to beat my highest score. You little. Guys, you see how I was doing so good? And then it just fell apart. Okay. What? He just snatching all of them. I hate the server. Why I hate it is because it's made of death. Ugh. Okay, let me kill someone. Am I the length of him? I mean, I'm getting pretty long. I mean, this game is kind of blah. I hate this styling. I nearly died. Are you trying to get hit? No! Why? Now he has the more strength than me. How come my brother has a bigger skin? Unfair. Okay. Heck you. Heck you. Heck you. Heck you. Yeah. You're done. You can leave. You're rude. You're rude. You're rude. You wouldn't let me do anything. You're rude. 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 I'm done. I'm done playing this. I'm done. I'll probably be back in my next video. Right now I'm just gonna make a Among Us thing. I'm just gonna play Imposter Online. Okay, let's start. It's like, you know. Should I do sabotage? I don't even know what that is because I don't play Among Us a lot. Okay, run. Virgil doesn't care. You know, I'm just gonna use it. Dead body reported. Clark was ejected. They don't even like do the talk thing anymore. They don't do the talk. This is not like the real Among Us. But sometimes I'm like, I wonder when I'm like, probably innocent. Then I literally don't even have to do the task. I want to continue. Really, it's so long to skip the... Okay, let's get some. Why can't you, like... What? Oh, you're lucky, William. I wanna kill someone.